Today we are going to see about science. Our subject is science. We are seeing which lesson? First lesson. What is the name of the first lesson? Yes, plants and their parts of the plants and their functions. What is the name of the lesson? Parts of plant and their functions. Now we are going to see overview of this lesson. Already we have discussed about this lesson in 2 classes. Now we are going to see a overview of the lesson. So first we have taken the plant. The parts of the plant is split into 2 types, that is above the ground and below the ground. That is above the ground and below the ground. Below the ground is called root system and above the ground, the plant which is above the ground is called shoot system. So root system, what? It will be under the ground. Which part will be under the ground of the plant? Root. So that is root system. Root system is divided into 2 categories, that is taproot and fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous roots. So what is the difference between taproot and fibrous root? Taproot will be having what? Primary root, secondary root, root cap and root hairs. It will get firm in the soil. It is used to stand straight the plant. This root helps the plant to stand straight. Yes. So this taproot will be having primary root, secondary root, root cap and root hairs. And the example of taproots are, the example of taproot system is what? Rose plant, carrot, etc. These are the example of mango tree. These are the example of taproot system. What about fibrous root? However, the roots, when compared to the taproots, the fibrous roots will be very thin when compared to taproot. So it cannot fix firmly in the sand. It will not grow wider in the sand. It will grow on the upper layer of the sand. So the example of fibrous root is grass, coconut plant. Okay. So these are the types of root system, and the functions of this both root system and fibrous system are, the root is used to fix in the sand. So fixing in the root only fixes in the sand. It helps the plant to stand straight and to stand strong. Next, absorption. The roots are the main source of water, and it helps the plant to absorb all the water, minerals and many other things from the soil, and it absorbs and transfers to the other parts of the plant. So root absorbs all the minerals and vitamins which is available in the sand. Next, transportation. So it transfers the absorbed water minerals from the sand to the stem, and the stem will transfer to other parts of the plant. Next, storage of food. The roots is used to help store the foods in the roots. So the example is carrot. Carrot, potato. These are the best example of storage of food. So it will grow under the root. Yes. So it stores the food. Then prevention of soil erosion. Root helps to prevent from soil erosion. Yes, these are about the root system. Now we are going to discuss, in second class we have discussed about shoot system. Shoot system covers above the ground, which is on the above the ground, the parts of the plant. So what are the parts of the plant? Stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, seeds. Yes, it covers stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, seeds. So in last class we discussed stem and their functions, and leaves and their functions, and flowers and their functions. In this class we are going to see about fruits and seeds. In this class we are going to discuss about fruits and seeds. So how the stem, what it does? Stem absorbs the minerals and vitamins, water from the root and transfers to all part of the plant. And what leaves do? Leaves is doing the main preparation of food. It is called a food factory. It prepares powerful sunlight. With this help, it produces the food. And leaves also stores the food. Stem also stores the food. The example for stem storing of food is sugar cane. And the leaf, all the leaves storing the food. The example of leaves are cabbage, cauliflower. These are the examples. And flowers. Flowers is the main attractive part in the plant. It is used for pollination. It helps to produce new plant or younger plant. Now we will see about fruits and seeds in this class. Yes children, now we are going to see about fruits. You all like fruits, right? From where we are getting fruit? From plants. Yes. So the fruits comes under which system? Root system or shoot system? Shoot system. The fruits comes under shoot system. So the parts of the upper ground, it will be above the ground. Yes. So fruits comes under shoot system. So from where we are getting the fruits? No, from plant. Before the change of fruit, what? Flowers. Flowers grows into fruits. From flower only, the next stage of the flower is fruit. So flower we have discussed in last class. So from the flower, we get fruits. Fruit contains seeds inside them. So inside the fruit, we having seeds. So in different types of seeds will be there. We'll see the next topic, that is seeds. Okay. So now we are seeing fruits. So fruits contain seeds inside them. So flowers grows into fruits. From flowers we are getting fruits. Fruits contain seeds inside them. So inside the fruit we are having the seeds. Inside the fruit the seeds will be available. So some fruits have one seed. So what are the example of one seed plant, one seed fruit? Mango. Then yes, think. Okay. So one example is mango. Some fruits have only one seed. Some fruits have only one seed. Example, mango. Some have many seeds. Some fruits have many seeds. Watermelon, then papaya, guava. Okay, so many fruits are there. So some fruits have only one seed. Some fruits have many seeds inside the fruit. So fruits come in different sizes and shapes. Yes, fruits comes in different sizes and shapes. All fruits will not be same and all fruits will not be in same color. Different colors, different size with different taste. Yes, we will be having different taste of fruits. So fruit flowers grow into fruits. Fruit contains seeds inside them. Fruit contains seeds inside them. Some fruits have only one seed. Some have many seeds. Fruits come in different size and different shape with different color and different taste. Yes, the taste also will differ. We'll see functions of fruits, what the fruit will do. So fruits protect the seeds inside them. The fruit only protecting the seeds. So fruit protect the seeds inside. Fruits protect the seeds inside them. Fruits protect the seeds inside them. Next, it helps in dispersal of seeds. It helps in dispersal of seeds. Let plants store excess of food in fruits. All plants store excess of food in fruits. So we have discussed stem, leaf, flower, even root. So all parts of the common function we are discussing is storing of food. So in all the function, it stores the food even in stem, leaf, root and also in fruits. So the functions of fruits are fruit fruits protect the seeds inside them. It protects the seeds. Then it helps in dispersal of seeds. Fruit helps in dispersal of seeds. Plants store excess of food in fruits. So plants store excess of food in fruits. Example is all type of fruits. Now we are going to see types of fruits. Before we see about fruits and functions of fruits, now we are going to see types of fruits. See, types of fruits are there. So we are going to see types of fruits. Mainly the fruits is categorized into three categories. That is simple fruit, aggregate fruit and multiple fruit. What? Simple fruit, aggregate fruit, multiple fruit. Simple fruit. Simple fruit means a fruit formed from ovary of a single flower. So from where fruit comes? From the flower. So from flower we will be having a ovary, ovules, parts main. This is used for pollination. So from that we are getting fruits. So a fruit formed from ovary of a single flower is called simple fruit. A fruit formed from ovary of a single flower. Only collect the ovary of only one flower. Single flower is called simple fruit. Examples the fruit may be fleshy or dry. The fruit may be fleshy or dry. The example of fleshy fruits will be plums, peaches, even mango, right? And dry fruits like walnuts, hazelnuts, etc. So simple fruit is nothing but it is formed from ovary of a single flower. The fruit may be fleshy or dry. Examples are plums, peaches, etc. for fleshy fruit and walnuts and hazelnuts for dry fruits. These are the examples. Now we'll see next category, that is aggregate fruit. Aggregate fruit. So what? The fruit formed from several ovaries of one flower. A fruit formed from several ovaries of one flower. It produces tiny fruit clustered tightly. Produces tiny fruit clustered tightly. So example, strawberry, raspberry. Example, strawberry, raspberry. So yeah, fruit formed from several ovaries of one flower. Several ovaries of one flower. That is aggregate fruit. It produces tiny fruit clustered tightly. Produces tiny fruit clustered tightly. Example, raspberry, strawberry, etc. So these are the examples of aggregate fruit. So aggregate fruit is nothing but the fruit formed from several ovaries of one flower. Several ovaries of one flower. What is simple fruit? It is formed from a single ovary of one flower. Single ovary of one ovary of a single flower. But in aggregate fruit is formed from several ovaries of a single flower. It gives a structure like tiny fruit cluster tightly. The fruit will be tight, very tight. So example, strawberry and raspberry. Next type is multiple fruit. Next type is multiple fruit. A fruit formed from fusion of ovaries of number of flowers. So a fruit formed from fusion of ovaries of number of flowers. These aggregate and simple fruit is from single flower, but multiple fruit is a fusion of ovaries from number of flowers. So it develops closely together to form one bigger fruit. It develops closely together to form one bigger fruit. That is called multiple fruit. A fruit formed from fusion of ovaries of number of flowers. It develops closely together to form one bigger fruit. That is called multiple fruit. So examples are pineapple, fig, etc. Pineapple, fig, etc. So these are the categories of fruit. So initially we saw fruits. Fruits comes from the flower. It may be with single seed or many seed. For single seed we have mango. For many seed we have watermelon as the example here. And the functions of the fruits we have discussed. It stores food in the fruit. And types of fruits. So what are types of fruits? Single fruit, simple fruit, aggregate fruit and multiple fruit. These are the categories of fruit. Next we will see about seeds. Next we are going to see about seeds.
Children, now we are going to see about types of fruits. In types of fruits, we have three major categories, that is simple fruit, aggregate fruit and multiple fruit. Now we are going to see about simple fruit examples. What is this image? What is this fruit name? Plum. So plums is an example of simple fruit. What is this image? Peach. This is the name of the fruit is peaches. It is an example of simple fruit. It is an example of simple fruit. This fruit name is peaches. This dry fruit name, it is a dry fruit, right? What is it name? Walnuts. Have you all liked it? Yes, walnut. It is an example of simple fruit. Walnut is an example of simple fruit. What is this name? Is it new to you? Its name is hazelnuts. You might have seen it. So this name is hazelnuts. Hazelnuts. It is an example of simple fruit. It is an example of simple fruit. Now we are going to see next category, that is aggregate fruit. What is that? Aggregate fruit. What is aggregate fruit? A fruit formed from several ovaries of one flower that produces many tiny fruits clustered tightly together. So the fruit will be like many clusters. Okay, like example are strawberry, raspberry, more. Now we will see the example of aggregate fruit. What is this name? Strawberry. Yes, it is a strawberry fruit. So it is an example of aggregate fruit. It is an example of aggregate fruit. What is this fruit name? It is a raspberry fruit. It is an example of aggregate fruit. So it is the name of raspberry fruit. It is an example of aggregate fruit. What is this fruit name? You all like it very much, right? Its name is clustered apple. So it is also an example of aggregate fruit. So it is an example of aggregate fruit. Its name is clustered apple. Now next we are going to see about multiple fruit. What is multiple fruit? A fruit formed from the fusion of ovaries of a number of flowers. So it will be developed closely together to form one big fruit. The multiple fruit will be like big fruit. So what is the example of multiple fruit? Pineapple, figs, etc. Now we'll see about it. What is the name of this fruit? Pineapple. So pineapple is a big fruit. So it is an example of multiple fruit. So pineapple is an example of multiple fruit. What is this fruit name? Fig. So it is example of multiple fruit. Fig is example of multiple fruit. We used to eat this as dry, and we also have as juice. Fig juices also we used to have. So this is an example of multiple fruit.
We have learned already about fruits. From fruits, we are getting seeds. Yes, now we are going to see about seeds. Seeds, the process of scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. So how it is get scattered, how the seed comes out from the fruit. When the seed comes out from the fruit, when the fruit gets ripe and it was eaten by some person or some birds or some animals, the seed will come out from the fruit and it gets scattered or buried in the soil. So maybe the birds will be carrying out the fruit or seed from one place to another places. By that it may get scattered. So that process of scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. So dispersal means the scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. Next, every seed contains a baby plant. So how we are getting the new plant from a seed. So every seed contains a baby plant. So this baby plant is called embryo. This baby plant is called embryo. 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 So every seed contains a baby plant. That baby plant is called embryo. So the process of seed starting to grow into a new plant is called germination. So the plant, the embryo, how it comes, the process of growing of embryo is called germination. That is the process of seed starting to grow into a new plant is germination. So dispersal. What is dispersal? The scattering of seed away from the mother plant is called dispersal. And embryo, the new baby plant comes out from the seed is called embryo. And the process of seed starting to grow into a new plant is called the process called germination. Next, we'll see the functions of seeds. What are the functions of seeds? So seeds give rise to a new plant. It is a very important thing. Without a seed, we couldn't able to get a new plant. So seeds are the main source of the new plant. So seeds give rise to new plants. Seeds contain the food for embryo. From seed only the baby plant comes out. So the seed contains the food for the new plant, that is embryo. Many seeds store excess of food in the seed. Many seeds store excess of food in it. So many seeds, the excess of food is stored in the seeds. Then seeds are very important source of food for human beings. So for us, so seeds are a very important source of food for human beings. What are the example? Rice. Rice is also a seed. Wheat, oat, etc. Beans. So many seeds are very important for human beings. So seeds are a very important source for human beings. See, this papaya having lot of seeds in it. So from this only we are getting a new plant. Yes, the birds will come and eat the fruit while taking the food or while moving from one place to another place. The seed gets scattered from the new plant grows. So the scattering process is called dispersal and the baby plant is called embryo. plant is called germination. These are the functions of seeds and about seeds. So, in this class, we have discussed about fruits and seeds. This lesson gets in. So, the first lesson, that is parts of the plants and their functions, covers about the parts of the plants. It is divided into root system and shoot system. The root system covers the what type? Taproot system and fibrous root system. And the shoot system covers stem, leaf, fruit, flower, seeds. About this we have discussed. Yes children, we'll give the homework and worksheets in the class account assignment, and kindly do that worksheet and assignments and submit it. Write neatly the classwork.
Yes children, now we going to see about the seed and their fruits. What is this image? Apple. See how their seed is. Yes, this is the apple or a seed of the apple. What is this fruit name? Watermelon. See how the seeds in the watermelon. In watermelon there are many seeds. So this is seeds in the watermelon. What is this fruit name? Papaya. Yes, you all like it. It is very healthy fruit. All fruits are very healthy. Okay. So papaya. See how the seeds in the papaya. Many seeds in the papaya. Right. So these are the seeds of papaya. What is this fruit name? Pomegranate. You all like it? Yes. Pomegranate. See how the seeds, it will be in the each pulp. So in each pulp seed will be there. So multiple pulps, seeds also many will be there. We used to eat that. We have learnt that fruits protect the seeds within them. When the fruits get ripened, they fall on the ground or eaten by the birds and animals. So the seeds get scattered on the ground or buried in the soil, or it may be carried away by wind. So this is the image of how the seeds get distracted by wind. So this process of scattered is called dispersal. Okay, the scattering of seeds, right, from the flower by wind. It is one method of wind. So this process is called dispersal. What is this image? See, it is an image of a seed. What it contains? It contains seed coat and inside that embryo. So embryo is the baby plant. So every seed contains a baby plant within it. So the baby plant is called embryo. So this is the image of embryo. The baby plant coming out from the seed is embryo, and the process of a seed starting to grow into a new plant is known as germination. So these are the process of germination. So from the seed, first a small part is coming out, root, and then it little growing, and then the baby plant is coming out. This process of seed starting to grow into a new plant is known as germination. What is germination? The process of a seed starting to grow into a new plant is known as germination. So the given image is the process how the baby plant is coming out from the seed. Okay children? Yes. And the activity for you is, you have to write the class work note what I have sent in PDF, and you have to do a activity that you have to collect the seeds of the plant which is available in your home. Okay, see children, don't go out anywhere, don't get risk. Some fruits or some plants will be inside near your home. Collect the seeds of the plant near your home, paste it in a chart, write the name of the fruit and send it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.